Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Gizmobeep, and thank you so much for supporting my work, because Gizmobeep is today 50,000 strong. So when I started off my channel, I never expected it to reach 50k, but here I am in this place wherein I started off my channel. Well, technically, you can see the place out here. So this is the place which I used to come to in my early days to shoot some automobile videos, car gadget videos, and this is the same car which I've used to start off my YouTube career. So it was kind of fitting that I came back to the same place and I sat in the same car to shoot these videos, to shoot this thank you video. First of all, every single one of you, 50,000 of you, thank you so much. And on top of it, the members of Gizmobeep, Mohan, Paresh and Unni Sarath, who have been contributing every month as members of Gizmobeep. Special thank you to you. You guys have been really amazing. That being said, this journey has been nothing but persistent and consistent hard work. Nothing can replace that, and I have understood that firmly well. One more thing which I really learned from this YouTube journey is that you need to have an unlimited passion, you need to have a creative mindset, and you need to be ready to put in the hours. You need to be ready to burn the midnight oil. If you combine these three, you too can grab a huge success on YouTube. But now, since we've reached the 50k milestone, of course this is just a small step, this is just a baby step if you look at the broad spectrum of how YouTube functions. For me personally, this is like as good as having 5 million subscribers, trust me. But as I said, on a broader spectrum, this is just a small step. So we need to target much higher goals, and of course I'm targeting to reach 1 lakh subscribers soon. And I'm gonna be putting in the work, and I'm gonna be putting in the effort to make sure that happens really soon. So this has been an amazing journey. This has been a super great learning experience for me, both on a personal level and on a broader level. And to gain the ability to learn that knowledge and provide that knowledge, share that knowledge with you guys, has been also a very rewarding journey. It's not about the subscribers, it's not about the kind of money you earn from this. It's about the people you are able to help out, and it's about the people who come back and thank me. Just like recently Mr. Subramani came up and thanked me, and one more guy who I met in Singapore came up and thanked me. It's those small gestures which really make the difference, and it's those small gestures which really motivate me and kind of provide me an unlimited enthusiasm, a passion to keep working more and more. So I'm not going to waste much of your time, but just do note that I wanted to take this chance to announce a super awesome sale coming up, a super awesome collaboration between Gizmobeep and certain brands, just to celebrate the 50,000 subscriber mark of Gizmobeep. So you're going to get some amazing discounts on dash cams and some car gadgets. So I'll be announcing all the details in the video upcoming to this, maybe by tomorrow or in a day or two. So make sure you're following my channel so that you get to grab some super cool gadgets and dash cams at discounted prices. I will be revealing all those discounts and all those brands and the dash cams, everything in the follow-up video to this. So this is just an exclusive announcement so that you guys can know that your support has been very rewarding, and for your support I'm gonna put up a special sale, a special discount sale, so that you guys can grab some gadgets and grab some dash cams to be a part of this celebration of Gizmobeep channel reaching 50,000 subs, and to be a part of this family with whom I would like to have a lifelong journey with. So thanks for being with me all this while, and hopefully we'll be seeing and we'll be hitting many more milestones in the upcoming days. See you in the next one.